ਤੋਂ ਨਜ਼ਰਾਂ ਹਟਾਵਾਂ ਹੋ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੋਂ ਨਜ਼ਰਾਂ ਹਟਾਵਾਂ ਨੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੱਬ ਦਿਸਦਾ ਨੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੱਬ ਦਿਸਦਾ।
Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. You're safe and sound at your home with your family members. So today here I am. I'll be showing you how you can conceal your under eyes, your pigmentation, your dark circles, and like just basically how you'll be concealing your and you'll be getting that perfect base without any discoloration and everything. So someone asked me, as you can see, this is the requested video. So here I am, and I'll be sharing all my tips and tricks which you can use in your daily life, not in a professional way, but yes, you can use it in your daily life. So yeah, if you're interested, then let's get into the video. You'll be able to hear my playlist, you'll be able to hear music from background because it's been very difficult for me to come over here and record a YouTube video because जब ज़्यादा शांति होती है मुझसे काम नहीं होता है. I need songs to work, so that's why. So that's a plus point. But let me warn you that my playlist is full of either Punjabi songs or a little bit Haryanvi Jat songs. So yeah, like I'm a true Punjabi, so that's why. So I only hear Punjabi songs. So that's a disclaimer for you guys if you don't like Punjabi songs too much. Yeah. And now let's not waste any time and get into video. So now coming on to the concealing part, there are generally two ways to conceal. One is using a color corrector, and the other one is using a concealer, a darker concealer. So breaking down this very easily. So if you have in many affected areas, like you have acne scars, you want to hide acne scars only, so you'll be using a green color corrector. If you want to hide dark circles, you'll be using either a red or an orange concealer. If the intensity of the dark circle is not too high and your skin is fair tone, so you'll be using a peach color corrector. So that's basically a proper theory like for that, and that's actually used by professionals, and we follow that because we tend to work on many brides and we do have many faces to work on. We have to see so many skin, like not everyone's skin is similar, so we generally go for the color corrector. Or you can do is, if you're using in a general type, because you don't have to work on too many people, or if you don't want to work on too many people and you're just a person who's learning makeup for themselves. So what is the major part which I generally also love and I sometimes use on my brides also, that's one is that you can use a darker color concealer. So what that is, you'll be using your a concealer shade that's darker to your tone or similar to your tone. Like it can be 2 shades darker to your skin tone, or it could be similar to your skin tone. But similar skin, I personally don't prefer using that, because sometimes my skin tone of the face is very light from my body parts, my actual body parts. So using a light concealer on the dark circles to match my skin color, that's not far. But using a concealer that is 2 to 3 tones, generally 2 tones only. Coming into that was just a basic gist. Now I'll be properly sharing the details and the products with you guys. So over here I have the Nykaa concealing palette, color concealing packet. So this is what I was talking about. So these are the color correctors. So you can use these shades to color correct. Like I told you can use this orange shade to color correct your under eyes. If you have dark patches, dark spots, or any pigmentation areas, you can use this color. For the acne scars and to hide any redness, redness around the nose or any acne scars you have, or you could see over here, so you can use a green color corrector. So again, these are for highlighting and all. Each and every color corrector have their own purpose, and that's why it's here. You can use this shade to tone down to anyone's skin tone. And then this is over here, it's for a darker, you can use it for on a darker dusky skin tone, or you can use it as a contour shade, that's up to you. So you can buy this in a compact size, like as in a palette. If you are a professional, I'll be suggesting you to buy a compact palette, because carrying too many shades in too many different shades, it would be not easy, and it's very hectic for us to carry everywhere. So that's why. Otherwise, if you want to use color corrector on a personal basis, that okay, like fine, if you want to use a peach color corrector only, or you want to use a green color corrector, so you can buy different individual color correctors. It also comes, and my personal favorite is obviously the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and that's it. But yeah, this is one of the gray parts. Now, so coming on to the other part where I told you where you can use a concealer or darker shade tone concealer. So here I have two concealer. One is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe, and the other one is in the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear, and that's in the shade beige. So these two are the concealer which I prefer to use for myself, or I use this technique on my brides also. But yeah, you can buy a concealer. You just need to understand the concept, like which concealer, which tone, or which actually the color will go. You don't have to go too dark also, you don't have to go too light also, because you'll be, you know, obviously it will be visible. So you'll have to use this. So I'll be sharing with you both the techniques. I'll be showing you how to you can do that. So now, my personal thing is, obviously not my personal thing, it's one of the things that you have to use the color corrector. You have to conceal before, you know, applying the foundation. So after priming your face, it's the step which comes is to hide your dark circles, your acne scars, your pigmentation, any flaw you want to hide. You'll have to conceal it, and then you'll be going on to the foundation step. So over here I'll be using the Cafe one because this is a little darker, and I'll show you how I tend to, you know, tell you and make it work, the darker concealer. On one eye I'll be using the concealer, the darker concealer, and the other one I'll be using the color corrector. Okay, now so starting off with the Maybelline concealer, if you could see, I'm just applying it. Now you can actually use this a little bit to hide your, you know, imperfections also. Okay, like this. And I'll be using this on the upper lips also because in the Indian skin tone it happens, if you could see that ये बहुत लोगों की प्रॉब्लम भी होती है कि मेरे यहाँ से ऑरेंज हो गया, ग्रे हो गया, या मेरा फाउंडेशन नहीं सेट होता. So this is one of the things why this happens, because no one in generally, जैसे हमारी मम्मी हो गई या रिश्तेदार हो गए, they don't tend to, you know, conceal. They just directly apply a little foundation and then on all powder se set kara. My mother still tend to do this. So yeah, this is one of the things. So this is how you can. On the other side I'll be using this shade, but not too dark because I'm a fair skin tone type, and I मेरे concealer मतलब मेरे dark circles इतने you know prominent नहीं है, इतने heavy नहीं है, इतने dark नहीं है कि I should go for a very dark color. So I'll be using it very light handedly. But अगर you have, you know, कि dark बहुत होते हैं, कितने के बहुत ही dark होते हैं concealer, dark circles होते हैं, बहुत ही dark circles होते हैं, so they can go for a nice coverage. मतलब जितना आपका डार्क सर्कल की, you know, इंटेंसिटी है, उतने ही इंटेंसिटी से आपको कलर करेक्टर यूज़ करना है. So very light handedly I'm using this. Again थोड़ा सा लिया. Okay, now there is one more thing if you want. If you don't want to invest in a क्या कहते हैं कलर करेक्टर, अगर आपके पास सिर्फ आपकी प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ क्या कहते हैं डार्क सर्कल्स की है, so what you can do is you can actually use a red lipstick as a color corrector. So जहाँ पे मैंने आप देख रहे हो ऑरेंज लगाया है, आप इसकी जगह रेड लिपस्टिक भी लगा सकते हो and it would work the same. So we're done with that. Now I'll be using my sponge, my blender, and I'll be blending this out. So first I'll be blending the color corrector part. कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो मैं दोनों के लिए बताऊंगी, दैट विल मेक हेल्प यू इनहांस योर मेकअप स्किल्स ऑल्सो. सो मेक श्योर यू डैब इट, बिकॉज हमने जो भी ये करेक्शन करी है, हमें इसको अपनी प्लेस से नहीं लाना, हमें बस इसको ब्लेंड करना है. तो अगर हम ऐसे करेंगे, मतलब विल बी स्वाइपिंग इट ऑफ, सो वो ऑब्वियसली हम उस प्लेस से हटा रहे हैं उसको, एंड वी डोंट हैव टू डू दैट. सो विल बी जस्ट डैबिंग इट. Now you can see I've diffused it, but जहाँ पे मुझे वो correction चाहिए वो वहीं पे है, but a little light now. I don't want it to be very prominent, so that's why. Now going again and doing the other part. Okay. ना मेक श्योर, द वन थिंग आई वांट टू से, मेक श्योर जो भी आप जिस भी कंपनी का जो भी प्रोडक्ट आप यूज़ करो टू कंसील, टू करेक्ट, जस्ट मेक श्योर इट्स वेरी, यू नो, आफ्टर ब्लेंडिंग इट्स वेरी लाइट हैंडेड, इट्स नॉट टू हैवी ऑन द स्किन. वाई? बिकॉज यू विल बी लेयरिंग अप योर स्किन. लाइक हमने कंसीलिंग की, इसके बाद हम फाउंडेशन लगाएंगे, फिर हाईलाइटिंग, कॉन्टोरिंग, जो भी. अगर आप प्रोफेशनली कर रहे हो, आप पर्सनली कर रहे हो, जो भी कर रहे हो, बट यू नीड टू कि आप उसका बैलेंस मेंटेन करके रखो. बिकॉज अगर आपने अभी हैवी कंसीलर यूज़ कर लिया, फिर आप हैवी फुल कवरेज फाउंडेशन यूज़ करो, फिर आप फुल कवरेज कंसीलर यूज़ करो, यू आर मेकिंग इट वेरी केकी. योर स्किन विल लुक very cakey, your makeup will look very cakey. Now I'm using the same foundation. I'll be using this on both sides because I'll be showing you how you can cover both the parts using the same foundation. कि हम एक ही फाउंडेशन को कैसे यूज़ करें दोनों चीज़ों को कवर करने के लिए. So I'll be applying this a little bit over here and a little bit over here. I generally don't prefer using this as on directly on your face ताकि आपका बैक्टीरिया वगैरह दोबारा से, you know, it will infect your foundation. But currently I have some situations जिसकी वजह से मुझे करना पड़ रहा है, and this is one of my personal things, so that's why. So this only I use. So here I'm using the Lakme 95 Primer Matte Perfect Cover Foundation, and that's in the shade Warm Sand, if you could see. So I'm using this, and now I'll be using the same blender to blend this. Again, we'll have to dab it and we won't swipe it off. Okay, so now coming on to the, you can see the difference. Like जहाँ जहाँ मैंने यहाँ पे अपना ऑरेंज पार्ट लगाया था, it's already covered because, and जहाँ जहाँ यहाँ मैंने लगाया था यहाँ भी सारा कवर हो चुका है. But there is one thing I haven't applied in the inner corners. Why? I'll be telling that in sometimes. The major part अभी ये है कि हमने जो कंसीलर लगाया था दोनों तरफ, like where we use the dark concealer and where we use the orange concealer, दोनों साइड हमारा it has been neutralized. So you can see there is no now pigmentation or anything left, and you cannot see my scars, my, you know, anything. You can't see the greenness over here. So that's it. And now majorly if you see very close up, you could see the dark concealer over here, and obviously the orange concealer is prompt over here. So now why I haven't applied the concealer or I haven't applied the foundation in the inner corner under my eyes. Why? Because I want to use concealer now, a lighter shade concealer for the highlighting part. So I want to layer up the products over here, because if I do this is the first place where we tend to crease up. So layering more products means obviously we are, you know, creasing our area, and I don't want that. So now I'll be using a very nice concealer. So now for the concealer, again I have two options. One is Fit Me concealer, and that I'll be using Stitch Sand, or now currently I have the favorite concealer, which is one of the dupe of the Shape Tip concealer also. That's the L'Oreal Infallible Pro concealer. I'm using that, and that too in the shade 312, that's Amber. So I'll be using this now. So here it is. I'll be applying the concealer again in the inner corner and outer corner. Why? Just to uplift the uplifting technique of the concealer which is going on all over the internet currently. So again I'll be doing this. We'll be applying it very light handedly. It's very full coverage, it's very nice, so we don't want to go too overboard with this. And now a little bit on my upper lip. So now I'll be just applying this concealer all over with the place where I want to highlight, and that's the usual if you know, you have been following me. So that's under the eyes, bridge of the nose, forehead, upper lip, and on the chin. That's it. So this is the typical area where I tend to highlight. Obviously this is the place where the light focus on our face. Now again using the same blender, I'll be blending this out. Again light handedly I have to dab it and not swipe it. I'm saying this again and again because blending your product is the key of your makeup. If you blend right, even for the eyeshadow, if you blend right, if you do it properly, your makeup will be like, it will look nice, it will look very blended, and nothing like कि हाँ कि कुछ अलग है ये वो, everything is blended. Now the makeup में one cheese is very prompt that it should be blended. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपका कॉन्टोर अलग दिख रहा है, आपका ब्लश अलग दिख रहा है, मतलब कॉन्टोर की लाइन यहाँ जा रही है, ब्लश की लाइन अलग जा रही है एंड हाइलाइटर अलग जा रहा है, नहीं. इट शुड बी वेरी ब्लेंडेड. यूज ऑल द थ्री थिंग्स बट blend it properly. Blend your foundation, blend your concealer, blend your eyeshadow. Like blending is one of the things which you should know, you should do properly in the makeup. So now as you can see, or the redness, the red color corrector is not now visible, and it's now properly concealed. Every area is concealed nicely now. I'll be suggesting you to use the if you're going for the Fit Me concealer, I'll be telling you to use a darker shade of the same brand only. Use Fit Me. It's one of the best thing कि कंसीलिंग और हाईलाइटिंग दोनों के लिए आप एक ही ब्रांड का एक ही ब्रांड का कंसीलर यूज़ कर रहे हो. बट इट्स नॉट दैट. यू कैन ऑब्वियसली गो लाइक आई वेंट फॉर दी अलग अलग कलर्स. बट इफ आई सजेस्ट यू सम ब्रांड, सो आई लव द फिट Maybelline, आई लव L'Oreal Infallible Pro, and then you can go for the Forever 52 concealers also. I love that also. And अभी याद नहीं आ रहा, अगर याद आएगा तो I'll let you know. You can use for the LA Girl Pro concealer also. That's also one of the good concealer. But currently on my top list it's been क्या कहते हैं, Maybelline, L'Oreal and Forever 52. इसके अलावा ड्रग स्टोर में I don't think, but if अगर कोई आएगा I'll let you know. Viseart is also a very nice thing. How can I forget that? Viseart, you can use Viseart. It's available now, so you can use that also. These are the options which I professionally use. Like for personally, अगर आपको करना है, if you're starting up with the makeup or you don't want too much, you're not a person who invests too much in makeup but you want to look good and all, so you can use obviously Maybelline and L'Oreal is one of the products which you can use very easily. It's very easily available. It's pocket friendly on everything. But for professionally also, I can suggest you obviously the L'Oreal, Maybelline obviously, and for the professional you can go for Forever 52, कहते हैं Viseart. There are many more for professional if you want to go for professionally, but I'm telling you right now for the personal use only. So I'll be using the darker shade as I told you, this one for my contouring, and using the other side of the brush. Here's the orange side, if you could see. Here's the orange side, and here I'm using the brown shade. So if you want, I'll just I'll give you a nice in-depth video of highlighting and contouring also. So now I'll be just applying it over. Now why I love this concealer palette is why, because the formula is very nice. It's very buttery and it tends to blend very easily. So one of the major things you need to see while buying products is that it tends to it blends very easily, seamlessly. It's not very harsh to blend.
A few moments later.
If you could see my skin up close, it looks so skin-like. It looks so flawless. It looks so blended. That's one of the major thing why I tell you, blend your concealer properly. So now to set up, you can use a loose powder to set the concealer and all everything. So from that I have Fit Me loose powder. Obviously again you can use the Forever 52 or you can use the pack one. Even the pack has the great concealers. If you want to go for concealer, go for pack also. If you want, you can. I love pack products also, and I've done a full face using pack products, so I'll be linking that down below also. If you want to check, you can check that out also. So here are the options. So I'll be using the loose powder currently, or you can use a compact powder very light-handedly just to set your concealer. I'll be taking a little bit of powder on my Damn Beauty blender, and I'll be setting my under eye. Okay. Now before doing this thing, just make sure to go once again with the concealer, with your blender, so that there's no line, there's no crease. If there is any crease formation, you just blend that out and then you apply the powder. I prefer not baking. I'm just applying a little bit, and again I'm going over with the Damn Beauty side, the side which I used to blend my foundation. I'm going on over this again. Highlighting and contouring palette, and I'll be mixing these two shades. to bronze up my face. So I'll be using it all over where I've applied the bronzer, the contour, where I've done the contour. I'll be applying the bronzer. Just give it a little bit warm to my face because there's no color left on my face. So I'll be using that. That's it. And now I'll be back with the rest of the makeup and I'll show you. Bye. And that's it. That's the final look. Now you can clearly see कि कहीं भी कोई भी आपको imperfection नहीं दिख रही है. Obviously the texture is something else, but when it comes to scars or dark circles or कुछ, so now it's not visible. So I tried my level best to explain you how you can actually conceal your imperfections, your you know क्या कहते हैं, your major problematic areas. So yeah, you can either go for a dark concealer or you can go for a color corrector. But on my personal basis, if you're going for if you're doing makeup for yourself, you want to buy for yourself only, so I'll prefer you for going for a dark concealer. But if you want to go for a professional way, I'll suggest you to go for a concealing palette, like a proper color corrector palette, and not to go with individually. But if you want to go with the color corrector, I'll suggest you still go for a nice concealing palette, because it can come handy. It can it might not be useful right now, but after 1 week, 2 weeks, or after some time, it would be useful for you with the rest of the shades. But if you are not too much into makeup, then I'll suggest you, like, you have the problem of only color correct, only of dark circle or acne, and if you want to go for a particular, then go for a particular color corrector. So at the end, that's the thing. I hope you liked it. If you want to learn something else, if you want to know knowledge something about something else, like why do we do for highlighting or contouring or base application, or how to make your makeup long lasting, anything you want to learn, you can DM me on my Instagram handle as ParidiBakshi_official, or you can comment down below. And you know the drill: like, share, comment and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. It's one of the major thing. And also you can you can tap on that bell button, so that whenever I post my next video, you are notified about it. And that's it. That's for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.